Welcome everybody to another Engel Völkers property tour. Today we're here in Monte Paraiso, one of the most sought after urbanizations here on the Golden Mile. Now if you're looking for a bright and spacious 2-bedroom apartment, then you've come to the right place. Follow me. Thanks for joining us. If you want to receive any more information about this property or any other property here on the Golden Mile, all you got to do is click on the link below. If you want to be the first to receive any of our newest video tours, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.